you to know that Howard University was born out of the era of Reconstruction. Marking the time of the end of the Civil War, Reconstruction meant many things to many people. There were dreams of hope, independence, and prosperity, but there were also tangible actions to defer hope, independence, and prosperity. How this moment in history is taught can be the difference between feelings of empathy towards the road to advocacy. It is important to note that the founding of Howard University in 1867 also coincides with the beginning of teacher education at Howard. Its founders envisioned the institution as a resource for the training of Black teachers and preachers for the purpose of educating and uplifting the nearly 4 million emancipated slaves. Since 1867, Howard University has long held a commitment to the study of disadvantaged persons in American society and throughout the world. The goal continues to be the elimination of inequities related to race, color, social, economic, and political